In this video, I will show you how you should be able to extend the Pecron E2000LFP battery capacity using the 12 volt to 18 volt DC port. I am using the Siemens 12 volt 100 amp battery for this demonstration. I use a separate charge controller to charge the battery by itself. I am using the 12 volt cigarette lighter charging adapter for this demonstration. I will connect it right here once I turn on the AC unit. I had to improvise at the other end of the charging adapter using two wires to be able to connect it to the battery. The 12 volt cigarette lighter charging adapter have a fuse inside. If you do anything wrong, you will blow the fuse and you will need to replace it. For this demonstration, I fully charged the Pecron unit as well as the battery. Let's go ahead and turn on the AC unit to start the test. Like last time, I set the temperature to 64 degrees, the fan speed on low, and I'm running it on eco. In the previous video, without the external battery, the AC unit was able to run for 2 hours and 6 minutes. Now, let's connect the battery to the DC 12 to 18 volt charging port. You can also use a small solar panel in that port in combination with the two main charging ports to consume more energy during the day. I began the test at 8 o'clock. The power station indicates that it should run for 2.6 hours. Although the 12 volt DC input support up to 100 watt, it's only able to pull 86 watt from the external battery. The window AC unit specs are 115 volt, 8.3 amp, and 10,200 BTU. I knew this AC unit would use significantly more than what the external battery can supplement, but I wanted to do that test anyway. Notice how the AC unit is consuming around 820 watt, and roughly 83 watt is coming from the external battery. Using appliances that use less energy would be a good candidate for this test, such as a fridge, because by doing so, the power station will have more time to pull more energy from the external battery. The power station is getting close to being dead, and right around 10:16, the battery died. That only extends the AC unit runtime for an extra 10 minutes compared to the previous test. That's why I think it would be more beneficial to use a low energy consuming device when using this type of method. I will try to test a 5000 BTU window AC unit to see how it compares, but I should get more runtime out of it. Because the external battery was only able to provide around 83 watt, it barely got drained during this test. It's currently charging the Pecron power station and it's sitting at 13.2 volt. I'm going to let it charge the power station before unplugging it. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.